Well, first of all, I would like to say that SRM is an economic research center based in Naples, and we are part of Intesa Sanpaolo Group. In fact, we have an observatory on economic relations between Italy and Med area, and this is the reason why we host here in Naples this meeting together with GMF and Istituto Affari Internazionali. It's a very important occasion to discuss on the future of finance in the Med area. For Italy and especially for southern Italian regions, the South Med is an important destination of trade. Italy has more or less 10% of the total shares of its international trade direct to this area, and the trade has almost doubled in the last decade. I mean, between 2001 to 2011, and we made some forecasts on the future, and in the next 2 years, this one, 2012 and 2013, we expect a growth of the trade between Italy and the Med area up to 72.1 billion euros. So a very important figure that show the importance of that area for Italy. And in this national context, southern regions have a very important share. 22% of the total amount of the trade is made in these relations between southern Italian regions and Med area. So this is the reason why we work on that, and we are happy to host this meeting here in Naples today. We, in fact, one of the 3 sessions was about the sovereign funds, the MENA sovereign funds, and we investigate this field in our report, annual report, and we saw that it's not too high the share of investment of these funds in Italy. So one key point for us is to become more attractive as country for investments coming from sovereign funds in Italy, especially in ports and infrastructures, and we try to show how important is this kind, this field, and well, we had many experts on that, and we expect too much on this session. One year ago, more or less, we start this project of permanent observatory on economic relations between Italy and Med countries. Permanent, I underline because in fact it's not just a work one shop, but we want to look at these relations in a permanent way. We are preparing the new report for 2012, where we will investigate, in fact, this particularly the infrastructures, and we want to investigate for each of these countries the entity and the quantity of Italian business in each of these countries. We will investigate, in fact, how many Italian companies are based, how long they stay, what kind of investment they made. All the information we try to do. It's not easy, of course, to have all this kind of information, and on the bilateral side to check how many investments companies and other economic informations we can have about the presence in Italy of economy, business, and companies of these countries. So from the bilateral point of view, and this is what we are planning to do, and we will try to end up our job for the end of 2012 with a big conference here in Naples to present our job.